सद्याक सायबर गुन्यांव ट्रेंड जाला. हाका लागून लुटमार सारकिल्ले गुन्यांव घडटा. चडशे हॅकर आंतरराष्ट्रीय पावंड्यावेल्यान वावुरतात. आपलो पासवर्ड त्या खातीर कोणाकडेन वांटचो न्हय. मोबायल गेमिंग ॲप्स परकी देशांनी तयार केल्यात. हातूंतले पयशे सगळे चीनाक वतात. सायबर गुन्यांवा आड चडांत चड जागृताय जावपाक जाय म्हण DIG ओमवीर सिंग बिश्नोय हांच्यांनी सांगलां. RDX गोवा खातीर मुरगांवच्यान प्रसाद नायक.
My request to the school going students, college going students, even the IITians, they should go to the public, the press should go to the public, police should go to the public to educate the masses about the cyber crimes being committed through internet. As you are aware, cyber crime is the crime of the day, and in future the traditional crime will become numberless or negligible. So I request the young generation of the Goa to get educated themselves in the elementary cyber education. Do not share your password, have encrypted password, have multiple digit, multiple number and multiple mathematical arithmetical sign password. Store it in your diary, not in your phone. And do not fall prey to the cyber thugs who will give you easy example of earning easy money. Do hard work, get your hard-earned money, not from the cyber bullying, cyber crimes. And do not fall prey to the cyber thugs.
Sir, online gaming you were mentioning something.
Yes. I just want to tell you, the masses should know that most of the games have been developed by the foreign countries, and many of hackers are operating it from China. So the money does not come to the country. Money does not come to the people who are playing. Money, 99% of the money goes to the China. We should not allow our national assets and wealth and money to go